Today we perform the practical number 1. Determine the permeability of magnetic material by plotting BH curve. BH curve is necessary to calculate the permeability of magnetic material. Okay. BH curve means the non-linear relation between flux density B and magnetic field strength H for a magnetic material. Here B is the magnetic flux density and H is the magnetic field strength. Okay, in this practical we have to calculate the permeability by using the formula B is equal to mu into H. Mu is called as permeability. In this experiment, measured current is proportional to H and measured voltage is proportional to B. This is the circuit diagram of this practical. Here single phase auto transformer is connected to single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. This auto transformer have two terminals, phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to common terminal of an ammeter and the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to first terminal of an primary winding of a single phase transformer. The second terminal of this transformer is connected to the neutral terminal of an auto transformer. The first terminal of an secondary winding is connected to the common terminal of an voltmeter and the second terminal of this secondary winding is connected to the range terminal of an voltmeter. Okay, then we will see the what resource required to perform this practical. Okay, in this practical we have to use the single phase auto transformer having the range 0 to 260 volt, one voltmeter having the range 0 to 250 volt, one ammeter having the range 0 to 1 ampere and one single phase transformer having the range single kVA 230 by 115 volt. Then we will see the observation table of this practical. Okay, in this practical we have to measure voltage and current. Okay, then result. In this practical we have to calculate the value of permeability by using this formula mu is equal to B upon H. Okay, then we will see the actual procedure of this practical. Select the single phase transformer, then select the relevant voltmeter and ammeter, connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, vary the auto transformer, measure the current and voltage, then plot BH curve and calculate permeability by drawing tangent to linear portion of the curve. Okay, then we will see the actual setup of this practical. Okay, this is the actual setup of this practical. Okay, first we have to make the connection as per the circuit diagram. This is the single phase 230 volt supply is connected to this single phase auto transformer having the two terminal phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of an ammeter and the range terminal of an ammeter is connected to the first terminal of an primary winding of an single phase transformer. Then the second terminal of this transformer is connected to the neutral terminal of an single phase auto transformer. Then this is the secondary winding of an single phase transformer. The first terminal of this secondary winding is connected to the common terminal of an voltmeter and the second terminal of this secondary winding is connected to the range terminal of an voltmeter. Okay, we can connect this auto transformer for the voltage variation, then connect the one ammeter for measuring the current and we can connect this voltmeter for measure the voltage. Okay, then we will take the reading. Okay, first we have to switch on the supply. Okay, Then vary the voltage with the help of this auto transformer. Okay, first we have to vary the voltage up to 50 volt. Then we have to take the reading, which is 0.07 ampere. Second, we have to vary the voltage up to 62.5 volt. Then we have to take the reading, which is 0.12 ampere. Then we have to take the third reading, vary the voltage up to 75 volt. Okay, then we have to take the reading, which is 0.18 ampere. Okay, then we have to take the reading, vary the voltage up to 87.5 volt and take the reading, okay, which is 0.28. Then we have to vary the voltage up to 100 volt and take the reading, which is 0.38 and vary the voltage up to 112.5 and take the reading, which is 0.56. Okay, and by using this reading we have to draw the plot of BH curve. Okay, this is the all about of practical number 1 BH curve.